Nestled just minutes from Elon University, this new home constructed by J. Douglas Homes is located in Forest Creek at Elon. A quiet neighborhood featuring wooded lots, 29 acres of common area, and custom-level construction. The main level has beautiful oak hardwood floors, gorgeous crown molding, and an open plan. In the kitchen, you will find granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a pantry, and tile backsplash. The two-story great room is accented by lots of natural light, built-in bookshelves, and a gas log fireplace. Located on the main level, the master suite has a tray ceiling, 2 walk-in closets, and a luxury bathroom with separate tub and tile shower. The upstairs features a large open loft or bonus area with a closet, full bathroom, and 2 spacious bedrooms, both with walk-in closets. Great for relaxing or entertaining, the back deck overlooks a large yard and wooded common area.